morning, everyone. So the best part of waking up is not Folgers in your cup. It's the sound of your coffee maker having a seizure. It's really not a great morning until you hear that sound. Am I right? Welcome everyone, welcome all my crafty buddies. So I finally found the glow necklace from the Dollar Tree. I was so excited. Isn't it cute? Well, anyways, today's video might not be the most popular, but that's okay. Just come hang out with me and come see how I decorate for Christmas 2020. It's in a soft pink, girly, and neutral theme. I'm not going to talk too often, so if you have any questions, just ask me in the comment section. Also, I added one really cute DIY at the end of the video. So let's get started. So I always start with my pillows and my blankets, and this blanket is from Target, so is that big fuzzy pillow, and then the pink ones are from Five Below, pink and white, and then the one in the middle is from Michaels, 2019. These cute little houses are from Target Dollar Spot. All this really cute decor, neutral decor, is from Michaels, 2019. Even this little reindeer. This is from Target Dollar Spot. I love that house on the side. This is my beautiful flock tree, and it was from Michaels, 2019. I love this tree skirt. It was also from Michaels in the soft pink, and it was time to set everything up. The gray tin houses on both sides are from Five Below, and they were only $3 each. Now let's decorate the tree, and so I always start with my very favorite ornaments. As you can see, I like it girly and cold and ice cream and just a girly mirror and a cupcake, anything really sweet. And last but not least, I love our little camper. Had to add that in. We have a camper up at Holiday Park in Traverse City, and this is our camper. And this is kind of why we live in a very small and modest home, because we like to spend about 2 months out of the year up on Silver Lake, and it's just something we enjoy. You know, less is more, so we enjoy just doing things in nature as a family. And so of course I had to add in my Holiday Park camper. And of course, Braden had to help me, my son, and he was throwing up all day, but that's okay because he felt a lot better. So this definitely cheered him up by decorating the tree. We even have Clark Griswold from National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, one of our favorite movies. I really love this potpourri bowl that I made, the gift idea. I'll link it in the description if you want to see how I made that. And what I love about these Target Dollar Spot houses is they match our wood floors. See how good those houses match? I don't know, I love them. I think it's perfect for my house. When I saw them, I was like, oh, I have to have them. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional decorator. I just put up what I love, you know, things that make me happy. All right, so this DIY is our DIY reindeer. You can make it in a 2 set, and so you just need a reindeer and one of these stakes. And I took the stake apart, and I wanted to use the stake so I could make a tall stand-up reindeer. So I scraped the reindeer, and then I ended up spray painting it in a white spray paint. And I painted the stakes in a soft gray, and then I just hot glued it all together. For stability, I used one of these Dollar Tree balloon holders, and they're just like cement. And I just hot glued it all together. It was really easy, and I absolutely love this. Well, thanks for watching my video. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving and a Merry Christmas and a Happy Hanukkah or whatever you're celebrating. Just make sure you do it with joy and you just stay safe, wear your mask, all those good things. You know the drill. Just make sure you stay safe, stay thankful, and yeah, have a happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully, I find enough time to decorate the family room, so maybe part 2 will be coming. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. All of the presents are still by the tree.